Hey everybody, this is Silverwolf here, and this is the second video for the Zoomer Playful Pup, where we get to look at the pup itself, see what tricks it can do, and also name it, and various other bits and pieces as well. So, as you know, in the previous video we looked at the Zoomer Playful Pup, and unboxed it, and had a sort of a rough look at what the pup was like. I have now printed out some instructions that came out tiny in English so that I can understand how to play with Playful Pup. So we'll take a quick look at the little features and functions of the Zoomer Playful Pup before we start on voice commands and things like that. So as we said in the previous video, we've got a sensor here. The eyes are LEDs. There is a sensor on the back of the head. There's a couple of sensors on the belly here, so you can give the pup belly rubs. The paws are slightly rubberized to give better grip when it's on the floor. You've got the on-off switch down here and the charging port, and also the language switch. A is English, B is Spanish, and C is French. The pup has got a lovely jiggly tail. It's actually got a rubber support inside it, which is how it's so springy. And of course nice soft ears as well. And the tongue is made of a soft rubber, and the mouth does sort of open and close there. It has also got several different points of movement. The back legs can wiggle backwards and forwards, so can the front legs, and of course they're all jointed as well. So that is a quick look at all the different little features of the pup. So we will start today's video by giving our pup a name, and I want to call my one Jinky, and it's going to be a girl. So, to name your playful pup, you have to make sure you're in a place with no noise everywhere. So no televisions or siblings screaming or parents yelling at you. You know, that kind of thing. So what you do to name your pup is you hold down the back sensor while switching the pup on. So that's what we're going to do here. Right, it says that the eyes should turn orange, and they haven't. So let's see. My eyes will flash orange. Hold the back button down while you move the on-off switch to the on position. I'll bark and my eyes will turn orange. Maybe I didn't hold it down for long enough, so I'll switch him off again. Okay, let's try it again. So holding down the back sensor. On the eyes. They're not orange really, they're sort of green. It's not sort of worked really, has it? They're green, aren't they? Maybe there's a problem with the LEDs. Well, we'll try this anyway. The dog did bark. The eyes are green, not orange, but we'll try anyway. So, push my back button quickly to start recording. My eyes should be solid orange if it is quiet enough. If not, then they're red. So let's have a go. That didn't work at all. That really didn't work. Let's try again. Okay. There is only one back button, so I am doing it sort of right. I'm going to hold it down harder and see what happens. Again, when I let go of the back button, the eyes turn green, and I'm pretty sure if I press it quickly again, it's going to go back into normal mode. So there is a bit of problem here with naming the pup. I'm going to have to try doing that another time. Okay, let's try a few voice commands, see if she'll listen. Push and hold the back button until the eyes turn blue. I wonder if this will work. There we go. Shake a paw. Shake a paw.
I love you. Puppy, sit. Say something. Lie down. Let's dance.
Well, that one was quite good.
Roll over. Roll over.
And the puppy's running away. That's not rolling over. That's attacking my leg. And try one more time with that one.
Roll over.
I doesn't really understand roll over very much.
Time to go pee.
You can see the dog did cock its leg and made a tinkling noise, but it fell over at the same time. Now it's decided to roll over. You can actually give its belly a stroke when it does this as well. Okay. Oh, it's rolling over again. It's going to be rolling across the room in a minute. Good.
Want to play?
Very much so, I think.
Want a treat?
So that's all of the tricks. The rollover didn't work, but apparently the dog did roll over by itself, so that's quite good. So you've got normal mode, where the eyes are green, as you can see here. You can give the puppy a stroke. So if you keep on petting the puppy, it will roll over on its back. Obviously for belly rub. Like that, there we go. You can also put the puppy on its back as well if you want to give it a tummy rub. Then you've got something called cuddle mode, where if you hold the puppy upright, its eyes will turn purple or violet when you pet its head. So you can pet its head when it's in cuddle mode. I'll wait for him to get back up again, or her. Okay, I wanted my one to be a girl, but are you just going to lie there all day? No, good, thank you. So, we pick the puppy up like this. And there we go. Now it's in cuddle mode. So the idea is that you hold the puppy against your chest like a real puppy, and you cuddle it, and its eyes turn purple, and it will give you kisses, I think, if you do this. Like that. If you rub noses with a puppy, now obviously I can't get myself on the camera right now, so it's very cute mode. There you go. So pet my head and nuzzle my nose, I'll make licking sounds. Pet or tickle my belly, oh, that's when it's on its back. Sometimes if you keep petting my belly, I'll bark, I rub-roo. If you stop petting, I will whine and paw for more. Let's see if we can get the dog to say I rub-roo. You've got to pet its tummy for quite some time before it declares that it loves you. No, it's not really saying anything, is it? Okay, well if you keep petting its tummy for long enough, it will say I rub-roo. So you can do instant trick mode, press my back button once quickly and you'll see green eyes. So, well the eyes are already green, but there you go, this is instant trick mode apparently. And the dog did a pee, so there is one of the instant tricks. It's supposed to be a girl, I'm going to have to make it a boy now, aren't I? Because it cocks its leg like a boy dog. Voice command mode, you can get it in voice command mode quickly if you press and hold its back button until you see blue eyes. And then if you want to enter cuddle mode, you do the same until you see purple eyes. Although I think the whole idea of picking the dog up and giving it a stroke on the back of its head is much cuter than just pressing its back button. You've got special voice commands. Now special voice commands are really for like if you name the dog. So you have to enter the name, say the name you gave me, and my eyes will turn orange. Now, as you saw earlier, I tried to give the dog a name and it didn't really work. I'm going to try again, just one more time. So I'm going to try once more to give the dog a name. If I can't do it, what I'll do is I'll do it off camera. And then I'll show you the other commands in a different video. So we've run through all the other commands that you can do. The special ones are if the dog has a name. So let's try again, shall we? Right, so... Also, it picks up hair like anything. It's picking up all the hair off the ground, and the plastic's quite static. So, you press and hold the back button, and you switch the dog on. So we're going to do that. If I can find the on-off switch. Here it is. I was pressing it the wrong way. Again, it's got green eyes. No, the naming thing isn't working, so I'm going to try doing that off camera because it's going to take ages otherwise, and we're already pushing 15 minutes now. So I'll do that, and in the meantime, well, you can watch this video, and I'll get back to you on the name and these special tricks. So with that being said, if you want to see the unboxing of this playful pup, you can watch the video that comes up in the link below, and this is Phil signing off for now. See you later.